Hello and welcome to a new tutorial video for support staff. So let me show you now how to use the support forum, the ticketing system for CodeRevolution. So let's assume you're logged in already and you was notified by email that a new support ticket was posted on the forum. Now you should go to the support ticket URL. I created a testing support ticket here on Amazomatic thread, so it is this testing, please ignore. Okay, now we should click on it and open it. First thing first, when we open a support forum and we want to start working on it, we should click claim. This means that you claim the support ticket, and other people that are working on this support forum know that you are the one that started work on the ticket. So let's click claim. Afterwards, if we go back and refresh the page here, we will see that a yellow tag appeared next to the title of the ticket with the username who claimed the ticket. Okay, so afterwards we can start and reply to customer after we checked his message. So to make things easier here, there are canned replies. Here you will see canned replies for typical scenarios that could happen. So if the client has an old PHP version and if the plugin is not working because of this, if the plugin is not finding the zip file that he can install, you can check this. If you want to get login credentials, you can use this. Simply click insert and the message will be inserted here. All you have to do is add new lines to the message so the message can be easily read by the customer, and check the captcha and click submit. After this is submitted, you talk to the customer a bit more and let's say you solve the issue. So what to do after you solve the issue and the customer is happy? Afterwards, you can go here, this topic is, and click resolved and click update. This means that the topic is closed and you will close the ticket. And if we go back here and refresh the page here, you will see that resolved appears and this ticket should not be touched in the future because it is a solved ticket. So this is all. It is not very complicated. There are only three main things to know here, that to make things easier for other people who are also working on the support forum, you should claim a ticket on which you start work. Afterwards, you can use the canned replies feature to use a template for the messages. So this will help you add default templates. In the dashboard, if you go to dashboard, in the forums canned replies, here you will also be able to add other canned replies if you wish, or edit existing ones. And the last thing to know, to summarize this, is to resolve issues when they are solved and the customer says that it is okay, he does not want anything more. Okay, so this is all for this tutorial. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.